Let's talk about fashion jewelry because there's a lot of great stuff out there that's very reasonable. It's called Bellari. Very, very cool line. All color. They have won more awards for what they do than almost anybody. Very interesting, very affordable. Check this out. Aquamarines, amethyst, peridot, gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. This is called Shariel. This is done in steel and gold and diamonds. Great bracelets. They start at like, I don't know, $275. You can't go to lunch for that. Done in yellow gold plating, brown, which is really hot, black, very wearable, which is important because I don't want you to get something that just you wear once, goes into the bank, and you never wear it again. Wear it all the time. This line is called Alexepticus. Nobody does jewelry like this guy. It's actually done with a microscope. He works under a microscope with tools that he literally invented. The detailing on it is unbelievable. I mean, there is just nobody who does this kind of work. Hidalgo, again, another one of our really hot lines. He does jewelry in enamel in really any color that you want. So any style can be made in yellow or white gold with any enamel color that you want. In all diamonds, in earrings, great price points. Hidalgo is hot. Now, as far as really fun stuff for gifts for yourself, Pandora. This is it's a great line. You start with a basic silver bracelet. You can pick one or as many beads, either in silver and gold, silver and gold, or glass. Design your own. It's a great look. Pandora, everybody loves it.